In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature while typing an email in Outlook. If you've ever started writing a message and realized the signature isn't the one you want, this quick workflow lets you swap it in seconds without leaving the Compose window. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Outlook website. The easiest way is to search for Outlook, then click the official Outlook result to open your mailbox. Sign in if prompted, and once your inbox loads, you're ready to compose. Click New Mail to open a fresh message. You'll see the Compose pane with the to, subject, and the message body. This is where we'll switch the signature on the fly. This method assumes you already have one or more signatures saved to your account. If you've created them previously, you can pick among them right from the toolbar. While you're typing, look at the toolbar at the top of the Compose window and click the small document or page icon. In Outlook on the web, this icon opens the signature picker right inside the editor. Give it a click, and a menu will appear showing the list of signatures that are available to you. From that list, choose the signature you want for this message. The moment you click it, Outlook inserts that signature into your email. If a different signature is already present, it will be replaced automatically with the one you selected. You can keep writing, switch to another signature again, or make small one-time edits directly in the message body. Those inline edits affect only this email and won't change your saved signature templates. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. The inserted signature will appear at the end of your message, so place your cursor where you expect it to go before you insert it, especially if you're replying and want it below your latest text. If you don't see the icon right away, expand the formatting toolbar to reveal more actions. And remember, picking a signature here only changes it for the current message. Your default signature settings for new mail and replies stay the same. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, start a new message, click the document icon on the toolbar, and select the signature you want. It's a fast, reliable way to make sure every email carries the right sign-off without interrupting your writing flow.